I'm so excited for May 3rd, 4th, and 5th. Mackenzie Childs is having their warehouse sale, and I've had hundreds of you ask me if I'm going, and the answer is yes, yes, and yes. I'm going to be there on the 3rd and on the 4th, and I'm super excited, and I hope to see you there. I hope to see Russell, Joanne, Tina, so many of you, Barb. Oh, you know what? I'm so excited. I don't recognize you guys. You guys will recognize me. Please say hello. I would honestly love to meet you. And then that way, when I see your comment, I can sort of put a face to a name. And then I will have a follow-up video with the items that I purchased, I'm hoping to purchase in this sale. So for now, take care of each other, be kind. Thank you so much, so much for choosing me to be one of you YouTubers. I love you guys. You guys are truly amazing. Take care.